Mga minamahal na kapatid at mga kaibigan, tayo na magkakatipon ngayon sa harapan ng ating Diyos at sa harapan ng kapulungan ito upang saksihan at ipagdiwang ang pag-iisang dibdib ni James at ni Anne Claire.
There once was love thrown into your room, but you never knew. A calendar of days just for you, but you never knew, never knew. And the truth that you'll find will always be the truth you hide. So how do you love? How do you love when your angels can't sing and your world is still lacking of me? Yeah, yeah. There once were eyes that only saw you, but you never knew. A portrait of
James, mapalad ka. Bibigyan ka ng Diyos ang mapapangasawa. Sabi nga sa Bible, who can find a good wife? She is far better than gold and rubies. And your priority, James, of course, is not your parents anymore, kundi ang iyong asawa.
so how do you love? How do you love when your angels can't sing and your world is still lacking?
Sa'yo, masansan ito bilang tanda ng ating ralisan at pag-ibig sa'yo.
Papakasalap sa'yo
Pangalan ng Ama,
sa pangalan ng Ama,
ng Anak,
Pangalan,
ng Espiritu
ng Espiritu Santo.
I don't know.
James, malaya ka ng halikan. Si Claire, in front of people. Hindi ka ba nahihiya? Okay, you may kiss the bride.
Hi,